Today, on the Super Brick Building channel, I decided to play a little Minecraft and show you guys a little flying trick. So, let's get started. So the main things that you need for this is a firework rocket and an elytra. If you don't know what an elytra is basically just a pair of wings that you can put on your back that help you fly. So now we're just going to put the elytra and fireworks in our inventory, and then if you're wondering how to put the elytra on, you just go to that spot in your inventory and right click to put it on. So now we're going to build what most people use to fly with their elytra. We need a block of any kind and some way to get up like a ladder. Oh, I just realized that my rocket is not in my inventory, so I just need to get that in and make sure I have my elytra on. Now, we're going to build what most people use to fly. It's basically just a big tall tower, and then you jump off of it and hold space to activate the elytra. Now, the way I like to build these elytra towers is to make it look like a diving board. Some people call it a springboard, but it doesn't matter. And then I'm going to hop down and then build a ladder so I can get up. So, once you're done building the ladder, you go up to the top of the tower and then you jump off. When you jump off, hold space to start flying. To control where you're flying, look around. The only way to get up is by using firework rockets. To use firework rockets, you right click with them and look to any direction you want to fly. They will also make you fly faster. Isn't flying fun? And when you feel like you're going down too much or you want to fly upward or go faster, just hold the firework in your hand and then right click with it. So now I want to show you the trick that I know. So the trick that I know, I'm jumping up and down and I'm trying to fly from the flat ground with no tower. To do this, you need to jump and then hold space to activate the elytra just as you're about to fall down, and then hurry, look up, and right click with the firework rocket. This will make you fly up. When you fly up, it's basically like you created your own tower. So to do this takes a lot of practice. I've gotten better and better at this, and if you want to fly, again, you need to jump, hurry, and hold spacebar. But what I forgot to tell you is you need to right click at the exact same time that you hold the spacebar. And you see, sometimes I still don't get it right. I still haven't practiced very much because I actually learned this trick on the same day that I'm recording this video. A trick I learned while doing this is to look up so you don't fly into the ground. Now when you jump, don't just immediately hold the spacebar, because in creative mode, that will make you start flying. Make sure you hold it a little later. When you hold it a little later, a guy will pop up on the top of your screen. When the guy pops up on the top of your screen, that means you did the jump correctly and it's time to fly. Now when you learn this trick, you won't have to build and climb up these big tall towers anymore. Now you can fly from almost anywhere. When you get really good at this, you can also fly between really small spaces. With this cool trick, it's also really good in survival mode when you're in a hurry. So there you have it. With this cool trick, you can impress your friends and fly from almost anywhere, whether it's the jungle or the desert. So thanks everyone for watching Super Brick Building. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and tell me in the comments if you learned something new or if you have any questions. Also, remember to smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. I would love to see what you'd like me to make next. Bye-bye.